Imagine writing zeros and ones all day. That was the reality for early programmers. Back in the day, programming meant communicating directly with the computer's brain in machine code. It was like speaking a foreign language with only two words. Talking about a challenge, right? As you can imagine, this wasn't ideal. So assembly language came to the rescue. It replaced those cryptic binary codes with human readable instructions, making programming a little less bit painful. But programmers were hungry for more. High-level languages like Fortran and COBOL emerged, allowing us to write code that resembled human language. This was a game changer. Today, we have plenty of user-friendly languages like Python and JavaScript. They are like English for computers. This evolution is all thanks to a concept called abstractions. It's about hiding complex details behind simpler interfaces. It's like using a smartphone without really knowing how the chips inside work. Amazed by how far we have come? There's so much more to discover. Up next, major fields in computer science. Let's explore this exciting world.